Hello everyone, welcome back to the Diet Wise. As the seasons change, so does the weather, and with that come colds, flu and coughing. But don't worry, today I'm going to share some powerful foods that can help you fight seasonal coughing and the flu. Plus, I'll show you how to use them in simple recipes to stay healthy and feel your best. Let's get started. Tip 1. Honey and lemon tea for sore throats. First up, let's talk about honey and lemon, two natural ingredients that can soothe a sore throat and help with persistent coughing. Honey has natural antibacterial properties and is known to coat the throat, which helps reduce irritation and coughing. And when paired with lemon, it provides a boost of vitamin C, which is great for your immune system. To make a soothing tea, simply mix 1 tablespoon of honey with the juice of half a lemon in hot water. Drink this 2 to 3 times a day to calm your throat and ease coughing. It's a delicious and effective remedy. Tip 2. Ginger tea to fight inflammation. Ginger helps reduce inflammation in the throat and airways, making it a great remedy for coughing and flu symptoms. It also promotes circulation and helps with congestion. To make a ginger tea, simply slice a small piece of fresh ginger and steep it in hot water for 5-10 minutes. Add a little honey for sweetness if you'd like, and sip throughout the day. Ginger tea not only helps fight off infection, but also provides relief from coughing. Tip 3. Turmeric milk for immune boosting. Turmeric powder and warm milk being mixed together, also known as golden milk. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory and has powerful antiviral properties that can help fight infections, reduce inflammation, and improve immune function, making it perfect for the flu season. To make golden milk, simply warm a cup of milk. You can use dairy or non-dairy milk, then add 1/2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a bit of honey for sweetness. Drink this before bed to help reduce inflammation and promote healing. Tip 4. Bone broth for recovery. Bone broth is another incredible food that supports recovery during flu season. It's rich in minerals, collagen, and amino acids that help boost the immune system and repair tissue. Plus, it helps keep you hydrated, which is key when you're sick. Sipping on warm bone broth not only soothes your throat, but also provides your body with the nutrients it needs to fight off infection and recover quickly. You can make your own or buy store-bought versions. Just make sure they're low in sodium. Tip 5. Garlic. For its antiviral properties. Garlic is a natural antiviral and antibacterial agent. It helps kill harmful bacteria and viruses, making it one of the most effective foods for fighting colds and the flu. Garlic also supports overall immune health and can help reduce the severity and duration of symptoms. To make the most of garlic, try adding it to soups, broths, or even just raw in your meals. You can crush a couple of cloves and let them sit for 5 minutes before using them to activate the beneficial compounds. Tip 6. Steaming with peppermint. While not a food, steam inhalation can work wonders for easing congestion and coughing. You can add a few drops of essential oils like eucalyptus or peppermint to a bowl of steaming hot water to help clear your sinuses and soothe your airways. Place a towel over your head, lean over the bowl, and breathe in the steam for 5-10 minutes. This is especially effective if you're dealing with a lot of nasal congestion or a dry cough. Tip 7. Hot soups for hydration and comfort. Hot soups, especially chicken soup, are a time-tested remedy for fighting off illness. Not only do they help keep you hydrated, but the warmth soothes a sore throat and relieves congestion. Plus, Chicken contains an amino acid called cysteine that helps thin mucus and makes it easier to clear from your body. Make your own chicken soup with plenty of vegetables, garlic and herbs for added nutrition and immune support. It's comforting, easy to digest, and will help speed up recovery. And there you have it. Simple. Now you've found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.